You can start recording.
It's recording.
Okay. All right.
Oh, she's pretty though.
Yeah, she's pretty. I think might be a male.
Oh.
Kind of small. So first we're gonna do is gonna cover it up. Get a little lower the stress level a little bit. Do this first. Calm her down. Do that first. Okay. Get her calm. We're gonna hood her. If we can. It's a good thing I have this. Alright. Where's your face? There she is. That would be talons. Oh yeah, she moved. Alright. I'm gonna hood you. Ah, baby. Careful of the eyes. She's got a big head.
No, seriously.
It's the right size hood, but alright. So secure that hood. Oh, she's already calming down. Alright. Now, I'm gonna take this and this. Alright. Let's see. Oh, she's only got 1 foot caught. Yeah. So, there's no damage done to the talon. So we'll get her to release that from the blanket. No bumblefoot. No damage done to the leg. Healthy bird. Beautiful bird. We're gonna take a look at her feathers and her wings. Okay, so it looks like she's only wrapped her feet and her wing. So we'll cut away. That first. Oh yeah, she's really caught in here. Yeah, she wasn't gonna make it. That's good. We'll get her going. Yeah. Okay. We just need to get her out of this. She's okay. 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 All right. That looks like she's free. And we're gonna lay her down. Okay. Secure her talons. All right, she has some blood from prey. No damage to her feet. Oh, it is wrapped around her wing, so we're gonna have to cut that back. All right, sweetness.
She's really calm right now.
Well, she can't see, so she's immobilized. Problem is, it's fully wrapped around her wing. Doesn't look damaged, but I gotta get this out of her wing or she won't be able to fly.
How's it wrapped around her wing?
I can't tell. I gotta get it out though to give her a chance. See this?
Yep.
The netting. It could be around her head. It might be around her head too. Yeah, it's all around her body. I believe this is a male.
Is it a male?
Yeah, I think it's kind of small.
He's pretty though.
Very pretty, very healthy bird. So we just got to get this. Let's get that out of its. Oh, it's wrapped around. Yep, see, it was wrapped around her head. All right, so now. Okay, you still videotaping?
I am.
Okay,
Yeah.
I just want to do a quick assessment. So as you can see, the feet This is from a kill. It's got no bumblefoot, no damage done to the talons. Same thing here. No bumblefoot, no damage to the talons. The wings are fully functional. She did receive some damage to the tail feathers, but still operable. And I believe this would be from caught up in the fence. So this plumage is laid over, fully cropped up. She has a full crop, hasn't even digested yet. So we are gonna do a release. She's gonna be really pissed when I do this. See, the wings are fully functional. Okay, so we're just gonna send her off. See, the wings are fully functional. We're just gonna send her off. And as you can see, bird's perfectly healthy.
Boom shakalaka.
That's it.